Hi! In this tutorial, I will show you how to upgrade your Bit Integrations free version to the Pro version subscription. Let's get started. Step 1. Install the Bit Integrations free version. First, open your WordPress dashboard. Then navigate to the Plugins menu and click on Add Plugin option. Now, search for the plugin named Bit Integrations. Once you find it, click the Install Now button and then activate the plugin. Now, the Bit Integrations free version is successfully installed and activated on your WordPress site. Step 2. Create an integration. Next, go to the Bit Integrations dashboard and click on the Create Integration button. Choose the type of trigger you want to use from here. So, in the search bar, search for and select Contact Form Email as a trigger. But here, you will see a pop-up message indicating that Contact Form Email is not available in the free version. To use this feature, you will need the Bit Integrations Pro plan. Step 3. Upgrade to the Bit Integrations Pro plan. To upgrade, go to the Bit Apps subscription dashboard and log into your Bit Apps account. Then navigate to the Purchase section and select your desired Bit Integrations package. Here, you will see your subscription details, and you can also upgrade your plan at any time from this page. Click on the Download option to download the Bit Integrations Pro version. Step 4. Install and activate the Pro version. Now return to your WordPress plugin page again. Upload and install the Bit Integrations Pro plugin. Then, click on the Activate Plugin button. You will now see the Bit Integrations Pro version listed on your plugins page. Step 5. Connect your license or subscription. Now open your Bit Integrations license page. Then click on the Connect with Bit Apps subscription button and complete the subscription connecting process to activate your license. Congratulations! You are now a Pro user of Bit Integrations. Now you can also access all Pro features, updates, and support. Step 6. Use Pro features. Now, let's go back to the Bit Integrations plugin dashboard and try to create an integration again. Let's submit a form. Click on Send Message. Form submitted successfully. You will see that the data has been successfully retrieved. That's how you can easily upgrade your Bit Integrations free version to the Pro version. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.